So we thought we would do an old song in a rather new fashion for you right now. Some of you may be familiar with this style of music, others may not. If you've heard it in your bars, roadhouses, taverns, juke joints, whatever you want to call them, we're going to take you there right now. With the metallic, passionate sound of Doyle Gresham on that dobro guitar over there. Let's go, gang. Ready for them, bottom girls? It's gonna get wild, don't worry. Ready? Let's get wild. Boat drinks. Boat drinks. Yeehaw. Boat drinks. Boat drinks. Isn't that thrilling? Boat drinks. Boys in the bar order boat drinks. Visitors scored on the home rink. Everything seems to be wrong. This morning, newspaper mentioned cheap airfare or airfare. I got to fly to Saint somewhere. I'm close to bodily harm. 20 degrees and the hockey game's on. Nobody cares, they're way too far gone. Screaming boat drinks, something to keep us all warm. You feel like you're in Mayberry? Some of you girls look like you came over from Mount Pilot. This morning, oh, I shot 6 holes in my freezer. I think I got a cabin fever. Somebody sound the alarm. I'd like to go where the pace of life's slow. Could you bring me somewhere, Mr. Scott? Any old place you want, Earth or in space. You pick the century and I'll pick the spot. Pick a dog. I know I should be leaving this climate. I got a verse but can't rhyme it. Somebody sound the alarm. Big finish, here we go. Boat drinks. Waitress, I need 2 more boat drinks. Then I'm headed south for my dream shrinks. I gotta go where it's warm. I got to go where it's warm. I gotta go where it's warm. I gotta go where there ain't any snow, where my bed sinks so low, where the news gets so slow. I got to go where it's warm. Where it's Gresham, the Firm Bottom Girls, yeah!